If you are looking for a dessert recipe that's number 1, tasty, number 2, satisfies that sweet tooth, number 3, protein rich, and number 4, of course, low in calories, then look no further. Today, we will be making my first low-calorie dessert recipe on this channel, vanilla sponge cake. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, all I ask from you is to please take 2 seconds to like this video. It really helps me and the channel grow. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. To make it, in a bowl, add 2 whole eggs, 1 egg white, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Then, using a mixture, go ahead and start blending everything up. While you do so, slowly start adding sugar into the mixture. I have taken 40 grams of sugar and 15 grams of stevia. Continue mixing it. This takes about 20 to 25 minutes. So if you are using a stand mixer, that's great, you have nothing to worry about. If you are using a hand mixer like me, then you might have to take a few breaks in between. But if you are using a whisk, which I do not advise at all, then boy, oh boy, may God save you. Anyway, you want to keep going until you see soft peaks as such. And once that's done, then it's all smooth sailing from here, guys. Next, it's time to add 60 grams of all-purpose flour. Add it bit by bit, and while you do so, you don't want to mix it like how you normally mix things. Instead, what you want to do is cut and fold. Make sure you follow this step carefully because you don't want to deflate the airy cloud texture. So add the flour, cut, fold, and just keep going. And once all the flour is well folded in, take a baking tray with a parchment paper, coat some cooking spray on it so that the cake can be easily removed, and go ahead and spread the batter in it. Bake it at 360 degrees for 15 minutes or until it's fully baked, and there you go, your sponge cake is all set. Now you can quite honestly have it just like this and it tastes great. Divide this into 5 equal pieces, and each piece is about 106 calories, of which 17 grams are carbs, 2 grams are fat, and 5 grams are protein. However, I went ahead and added an icing to make it a higher protein snack. To make that, in a bowl, take 150 grams of Greek yogurt. I went with Dannon Light and Fit vanilla flavor. Feel free to go with an unflavored one as well, and add 1 scoop of vanilla flavored protein powder. Mix that up well and your icing is ready. Spread it across the cake once it's cooled down, and finally top it off with 100 grams of strawberries. Refrigerate it for at least 1 hour, and there you go. Your vanilla sponge cake is all ready. And again, if you divide this into 5 equal pieces, then each piece is about 150 calories, of which 19 grams are carbs, 2 grams are fat, and 12 grams are protein. And there you go, guys. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Now, I could have made this recipe even lower in calories by going completely sugar-free with just the stevia and a few other ingredients, but I wanted to keep the taste as close to the normal sponge cake as possible without too much of the aftertaste, which you get usually when you add too much stevia in it. And also, I wanted to keep the ingredients as simple as possible and stick to the ones that we can easily get in the stores or the ones that are usually in our houses. So do try the recipe out, guys. This is my first dessert recipe, so do let me know how it tastes. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.